If you want to unlock glowing, wrinkle-free skin, then you have to eat the right food. Otherwise, the diet you're eating is simply going to make you older faster. Luckily, it doesn't always have to be the perfect food in the perfect way in the absolutely perfect diet. There are shortcuts. The minute I realized that you could do this, it transformed my skin and made eating for beauty effortless. Not only are the foods I'm about to show you super quick to prepare, but one of them has 400 times the amount of antioxidants than your humble banana. But first, let's look at the guilt-free alternative to eating your leafy greens. The next time you reach for a bag of chips, keep walking down that supermarket grocery aisle and reach for the corn chips. And that's because both yellow and green vegetables have been associated with less wrinkles in Japanese women. Now, obviously the healthiest way to eat corn is to steam it or boil it, but we've got to enjoy ourselves at some point. So what about this guilt-free tip for the next time you're going to indulge yourself in some crunchy chips? White potato starch has been found to be inflammatory and it reduces the antioxidant capacity of your blood. Now, you always want to be increasing the antioxidants in your blood, so that white potato is a no-no. Move along to the corn and remind yourself that, I'm doing a great thing for my skin today. You can also double up the anti-aging value of your corn chips by serving them with a fresh corn and tomato salsa. Sure, I'm talking about the corn too, but the tomato has lycopene in it, which is very good for your skin as well. Check this video out for easy ways to improve your collagen, which includes tomatoes. But if you want something even easier than corn or corn chips, then the next food is for you. Number 2, it's already in your cupboard. Has anyone ever told you that herbs and spices are their own food group? They really should, because when it comes to antioxidants, herbs and spices are the #1 food group. Sure, we all get told that kale is very high in antioxidants, and that's true, they have twice the amount of spinach. But what has even more antioxidants than kale and is already in your pantry cupboard? That is cinnamon. And cinnamon has 44 times the antioxidants than kale. Ah, that's amazing. I love it. So all you have to do is generously sprinkle some cinnamon on your oatmeal, into your smoothie, into your cookies. It's just so versatile. And if you like the idea of drinking treats to improve your skin, then check out my video on how to make a hot chocolate to improve your wrinkles. They are delicious. You can also sprinkle some cinnamon on the next food. Number 3, not your grandmother's beauty snack.
So what's the matter?
Who said anything was the matter?
Franny, I know you like the back of my hand. Geez, I never noticed that before.
Prunes may not sound sexy, but they might actually be the difference between looking like Nanny Fine or her grandmother Yetta. A study on diets and how much wrinkling there was in predominantly white people found that 34% of the difference between those with less wrinkles and those with more wrinkles was attributed to apples, prunes, and tea. When it comes to prunes, this news really doesn't surprise me. They have 3 times the amount of antioxidants than dates. And because prunes are a whole food with all of their fiber and nutrients in them, you don't have to worry about any blood sugar spikes. When the sugar in fruit is wrapped up with all of its fruity goodness, then our body handles it really well. And beauty bonus, we don't have to worry about gaining weight with prunes. When researchers gave people prunes every single day for a year, nothing happened. So now we can put aside any concern that we will look like Nana Yetta when eating some prunes, because actually we'll be looking more like Miss Fine. By the way, if you like the sound of drinking tea instead for less wrinkles, then I've already got you covered. I've got multiple videos on which teas are the best for your skin. Number 4, the teeny weeny skin saver. When you're ready to level up your anti-wrinkling regime and really feel full during the day, then legumes are your skin saver. In fact, compared to meat, plant-based protein has 150 times less of a pro-aging inflammatory compound, aptly called AGEs. We want to avoid those. But what I love about lentils is that they have a very specific fiber in them that actually is shown to help with your wrinkles. So it's like double the benefit. The quickest way to eat lentils is to just quickly buy a can of them, rinse them out, and then add them to your salad, your soup, or your bolognese. But what I really like, and is still pretty quick, is to crisp them up in the oven and then add them. Oh, really tasty. But maybe you want something pretty to eat. And here we come to number 5, a dark berry to love your skin. While spices take the gold medal for antioxidants, berries take the silver, and also by a long shot. These darkly hued cherries have 4.5 times the amount of antioxidants of your humble banana, thanks to their deep red color. And while they are a bit more expensive than bananas, they are definitely worth it. You can always go get some frozen ones. They are a bit cheaper that way, and they are just as good. What's really amazing about cherries is that they are so anti-inflammatory that in the past, doctors have actually prescribed them to their patients to treat an inflammatory condition called gout. So, if cherries are good enough to treat a serious inflammation disease, then I trust cherries with my skincare. Please note that if you pop them into a smoothie, do not put them with bananas. Yes, I know you love them. Loads of people love bananas, but please use mango instead. It turns out that bananas steal your antioxidants, but mangoes don't. So, all good. But hold up, there's actually one more super quick anti-wrinkling food for you to consider, and that's almonds. But of course, isn't there a lot of fat in almonds? Yes, but I'm also going to show you how many almonds you can eat a day before gaining weight while still improving your skin. Have fun!